Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to talk you through some calculations you might want to do for your CBA if you're opening a bakery. So I'll break the video up into a few steps. First step is probably where you're going to spend a lot of your time. Step one is calculating your expenses. So this probably will be a process where you make a list of one expense and you say how much it's going to cost you. Then another expense. And another. Then you make a total list of expenses, right? Opening a bakery is probably going to be pretty costly, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to say it costs 100,000 euros to open a bakery. Step two then of your project could be estimating how much money you'd make each week. So I did a quick Google on this, and what I found to be a reasonable estimate was about 1,000 euro. So you can do your own workings on this. Just maybe give a little bit of an explanation in your project of why you chose your weekly amount that you'd be able to make. So now that you know how much money you'd make each week, if your project was, to see how much profit or loss you'd have made within 1 year, we can have a look at that now. So if we're looking at that 1 year timeline, a key step is going to be figuring out how much money you'd earn in a year then. So if we know that we make 1,000 euros in a week, we'll multiply that by 52 because there's 52 weeks in a year. So 1,000 euros multiplied by 52, that gives us 52,000 euros. Now your numbers might be the same or they might be different, and that's okay. So that's how much money we make in a year. The next step that we're going to look at is figuring out how much of a profit or loss you would have made in that year then. So to figure out a profit or loss, what we do is we find the difference between the amount of money that we spent and the amount of money we made. So in this case, we spent 100,000 euros and we made 52,000 euros. So we'll find the difference between them. That is 48,000 euros. Now in this case, we spent more money than we made. So that would be a 48,000 euros loss, unfortunately. But that's not out of the ordinary for a business either. In their first year of operating, a lot of businesses would lose money and they'd look to make the money they invested back over a period of a couple of years. Now, if we want to take this further, we could figure out our profit and loss as a percentage. So to calculate the percentage profit and loss, what we're going to do is we're going to put our profit or loss over the cost price, or we can say that's the price of our investment. And we're going to multiply that fraction by 100 to turn it into a percentage. So for us, our loss, unfortunately, was 48,000 euros. And our investment was 100,000 euros. We're going to multiply that by 100 in our calculators. That's going to give us a 48% loss for this one. So that may not seem that encouraging, but that could be something you talk about in your evaluation, how there was a bigger loss than you expected in the first year. So maybe you might want to rework the numbers if you're doing it again to try and get a smaller loss or even maybe a small profit.